Hey guys, welcome back to Fulfill Vlogs, and today I'll be doing CS50 Sandbox because last time I didn't explain well, so here we go. Let's click on create file, name it hello.c. Create it. I'll type this code in, include standard.io.h. Click on enter. So now this code is a category. In Scratch we have motions, variables, logs, my blocks, all of those categories. This is also a category with a different name and different code in it. Click on enter twice and then main void. Yeah. So int main void is like a starting point. It's like a starting point in C. In Scratch you have when flag clicked. Here in C we have int main void. So let's click on enter. Click on bracket, shift bracket, enter again, and then type printf. So printf is a command which prints a word. So after printf, a bracket, quote, hello world, and then unquote, and then bracket. So printf, this prints the hello world. It prints it here. This is like the input side where you write all your code, and this is where like the terminal here is the output. It gives the result of what code you wrote. So let's type clang hello.c. Clang is something that some other guy made, and it's completely different thing. You don't need to understand what it means. You need to understand what it does. So clang makes the the include standard dot h is not included already. So it's not included. So if you put clang, if you in the terminal, if you write clang and your file name, it includes the standard.io.h, and then you can do with the other stuff later on. I'll explain in the video. So write this command in terminal and write it. Now if you see a red word, it's probably an error. So it says hello, see 5 and 27. So 5 and 27 are like 5th line and 27th line. But obviously we don't have 27th line, we have 5th line. So we'll see what is available with us, the 5th line. In the 5th line, there is no semicolon. So I forgot to tell you that because I just forgot. The semicolon is an ending point. So in Scratch, you can just finish a program and then you don't have to have an ending point. It just finishes without an ending point because there's nothing else below it. But in C, you have to have an ending point or else it won't work. You'll have an error like this. So type semicolon after the bracket and then type clang again because there was an error. Again type the whole thing. Now click on enter. Now nothing happened. There was no mistake, error, anything, nothing. But if we open our file tree, we see a.out. So that file contains binary data. It transforms all the code from this and turns it into binary digits because the computer can only understand binary digits. It cannot understand Python, C++, C or Java or anything like that. It cannot understand. It can only understand binary. So it converts it into binary. It's not much of a use. If you just click on it, it brings you to this. So yeah. So whenever you have all that stuff in your terminal and you want to clear everything, you can just use this shortcut command called Control L. It clears everything. Just if you feel it's very dirty. So then you can type dot slash. Dot slash makes the command makes your code run. So if we type dot slash hello.c, it'll run this, but the computer can only understand binary. So we have to take the binary file and type the binary file's name called a.out, and then you can click on enter. Let me just that click on enter. Voila, it says hello world, but there's a slight mistake in it. There's a dollar sign at last. The dollar sign is just like a cursor in terminal, so it's not really that important. But we don't want the dollar sign. We want to make it cleaner. To do that, before the code, add \n. \n is a command which makes the cursor go to the new line. So let's again type clang. or instead of clang, you can type make. Okay, yeah, type make hello. After you type clang, you can just type make hello. Don't put .c of your, like, make hello, but not your full file name, not .c. So you can type make hello. So if you see no errors, then you're good. Then type /hello, or don't include .c. And then it says hello world and the cursor goes to a new line. So this will be the first official correct no mistake program you have made if you're a beginner. So yay. So that's it for today, guys. I'll explain more in the next episode. So see ya, bye, peace out, subscribe and like to Wiffle Vlogs, and bye.